Willman Education. Welcome dear learners. Today's topic, problem sums on ratio. Question number 1. Divide rupees 9,500 among Alan, Lawrence and Ignatius in the ratio 6:5:8. Find the share of each person. That means how much each person gets. So here you have to be very careful about your sense of ratio, your knowledge of fraction. These are all very essential. You can see my earlier video, turning from fraction to ratio, ratio to fraction. So here the solution, total amount to be divided equals to 9,500. Ratio of 3 persons 6:5:8. So sum of the ratios 6 plus 5 plus 8 equals to 9. So first person, that is Alan's share. Alan gets 6/19 into 9,500. So when you divide 9,500 by 19, you will get 500 and into 6. So total 3,000 rupees Alan gets. Similarly, Lawrence share, that means how much Lawrence gets. Here in the similar way, once you know the calculation, very simple, 9,500 is divided by 19 and you got your answers. Here Ignatius share, that means how much Ignatius gets, 8/19 into 9,500. Again you cancel 9,500 by 19, 500 will get, into 8, 4,000. So if you take them together, Alan gets 3,000, Lawrence gets 2,500 and Ignatius gets 4,000 rupees. Taken together, you will get 9,500. Second sum, divide rupees 52,000 among Abu, Ajay and Anthony in the ratio 1/2:1/3:1/4. Find each one's share. That means each one gets. So this is fraction, you have to turn them into whole number. So the solution, first we have to convert fraction ratios into whole number, 1/2:1/3:1/4. How will we do it? By taking LCM. So LCM of the denominators we will get, if we take them together we will get 12 LCM. Therefore turning the fraction into whole number, we get 1/2 into 12, that is the LCM, that is 6. New ratios, again second one 4 and the third one 3. So new ratios as a whole number we get 6:4:3. Now therefore sum of the ratios equals to 6 plus 4 plus 3 equals to 13. So what Abu gets? Abu's share 6/13 into 52,000 rupees. So Abu gets 24,000 rupees. You are cancelling 52/13, remember. Now Ajay gets. What is Ajay's share? Similar method will follow. That means 52,000 is the sum of the money to be divided. His share is 4/13. So you cancel them and then you will get 16,000. Again Anthony's share 3/13 into 52,000, you are getting 12,000 rupees. So if you take them together, you will get 52,000 rupees. Question number 3, which ratio is greater, 3:4 or 4:5? Very interesting sum, and it comes often in the examination to test the knowledge. So here we will write 3:4 by 3/4, 4:5 by 4/5, taking LCM of denominators 4 and 5, we get 20 LCM, and we will use this LCM in finding the greater and lesser, whatever. 3/4 into 20. If we cancel, we get 15. 4 5s are 20. So you cancel 20. Okay. So new ratio comes 15, and the second one 16. So remember that 15 is lesser than 16. So 4/5 is greater than 3/4. So 4/5 is greater ratio. So over here only LCM you have to find, and with the help of that, whatever the ratio be, whatever the fraction be, you can do it easily. Knowledge of LCM has to be. Number 4, two numbers are in the ratio 4:11 and their difference is 98. Find the number. Sum you have to understand over here. The difference they said, not that two numbers are in ratio of 4:11. No, it's not that. They said difference, and that also in the ratio. That means 11 and 4, they are two different. So here solution says, here two numbers are, we can take x, so 4x and 11x, and their difference, it is said in the sum itself, 98. Therefore we can say 11x is greater. So 11x minus 4x equals to 98. When we calculate by simple mathematical knowledge, 11x minus 4x, we get 7x equals to 98. Simple equation, knowledge of simple equation is also required here, and you can see that 7x equals to 98, then x equals to 98/7, that is 14. So then 14 into 4, 14 into 11, 56. If question number 5, if rupees 10,500 to be divided among Ashish, Amir equals to 3:4 ratio, and Amir is to Aniket 6:7 ratio, then find each one's share. Here complication is this, that Ashish and Amir and Aniket, there is no different ratios. So you have to solve over here. You have to be very careful in this sum. This is a very interesting sum. You see here Ashish and Amir 3:4. That means we can write 3/4. Amir and Aniket we can write, since it is written 6:7, so we can write 6/7, and then we will set the sum in this way: Ashish, Amir and Aniket 3:4, Ashish and Amir and Aniket 6:7. So we get by multiplying 18, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, again 4 7 are 28. So 24 is common in both sides. So dividing by 2, we get 9:12:14. Knowledge of multiplication table is very necessary. So I will suggest you to learn the table from 2 to 20 almost every day to become the master of mathematics. Therefore, some of the ratios equals to 9 plus 12 plus 14 equals to 35. So how much Ashish gets? 9/35 into 10,500. When you cancel, 10,500 by 35, how much you are getting? You are getting 300. So 9 3 ja 2,700 rupees. That is Ashish gets 2,700 rupees. How much Amir gets? Let us do the works. Same work. Okay, you cancel 10,500 by 35. Again you will get 300. 300 into 12, 3,600. Aniket gets 14 by 35 into 10,500. Again you divide, cancel 10,500 by 35, then 300 into 14, 4,200. Then it can take together. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share for more videos.